Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 7. Our today's topic subject maths topic is perimeter and area chapter number 11. Okay, so let's we study. So students, first of all open page number 205 where we can start with the introductions. Student, as you have studied in your previous grade 6, to study the different geometrical shape and objects, if we measure its boundary, then we take the perimeter formula, right, and solve. These you all have studied in your 6th standard. So please remember that 6th standard. And there unit of that perimeter we have written what? Centimeter or meter. Say for example, if we want to find out the boundaries of garden or plot of the garden, we find perimeter. But we measure the space of any objects or occupy space, at that time we take area formula and solve. And there we have put the unit of area is square meter. SQ means square meter or square centimeter. We have also studied their cost by the given their cost rate either in meter or centimeter. Say for example, to fence the garden, to paint wall, door, etc. In that we have to find out the cost. Also we have to apply the formula for applying a tiles on room to find the cost of garland, cost of applying wallpaper on the wall, etc. In these all application we use perimeter or area to calculate with the formula, so it become easy to understand its application, means uses. Before we start our chapter, students, here we have to note down the formulae of all geometrical shapes, and again we recall this formulae, right? So you have to learn this formula properly, all the formulae properly. So first of all we take about the perimeters. Perimeter of square, that is 4 into L. L means what? Length. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by L plus B. This also we have known. Perimeter of triangle means perimeter of any geometrical polygon figure, that is triangle, sum of the three sides of the triangle, perimeter of triangle. So here we write perimeter of any closed figure except circle. तो उनमें क्या करना है? सम ऑफ द साइड्स ऑफ क्लोज फिगर, वो क्लोज फिगर की जो साइड्स है ना उसको आप ऐड कर दो, राइट? बट एक्सेप्ट सर्कल क्यों लिखा? बिकॉज सर्कल फॉर्मूला इज डिफरेंट फॉर द पेरीमीटर. ओके, दैट वी विल सी later one. Let's we see the formula of area. Area of square, length multiplied by length, or you can say L square. Area of rectangle, L multiplied by B, where L is length of the object or figure and B is the breadth of an object or figure. Next formula, area of triangle, that is here I have drawn the triangle. You see in that altitude is there. That altitude is always drawn on the base perpendicularly. Here small that circle is there, small square is there which represents 90 degree, right? So this is a straight line which is fall on base. So that formula is half of base multiplied by altitude. Now in case of parallelogram, area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by altitude. Base is represented by B, altitude is represented by H. Okay. Here area of circle is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. R is the radius of circle. Take pi equal to 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Wherever our calculation become convenient, as per that way we have to take the value. That we will see in wherever the numericals we will count, at that time we see when we use pi 22 upon 7 and 3.14. Okay, now perimeter of circle, देखो यहाँ आया, देखो perimeter of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, diameter of the circle, that is 2 multiplied by radius, means 2r. You see diameter, it is r plus r, means 2r, 2 into radius. So radius is equal to diameter upon 2. Next formula, perimeter of circle also we can define by pi into d. How? You can see just now we have make the relation that diameter d is equal to 2 into r. So pi 2 into r. When put together, what is 2 into r? Diameter. So pi into d also. So perimeter of circle is equal to pi into d. Next, area of shaded region. Here when two circle will come, capital R is the radius of outer circle, small r is the radius of inner circle. So at that time you have to apply this formula, area of shaded region is equal to, when we want to find out this region, then we have to pi into bracket r square minus small r square, means pi into bracket r plus r, I minus r minus r, means क्या करेंगे यहाँ बिगर सर्कल में से स्मॉलर को माइनस करेंगे, दैट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस पाई आर स्क्वायर. ओके, एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल, सर्कल का पाई आर स्क्वायर, तो सेमी मीन्स आधा, सो हाफ ऑफ पाई आर स्क्वायर. पेरीमीटर ऑफ सेमी सर्कल, वहां 2 पाई आर है तो 2 पाई आर अपॉन 2, 2 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. एट दैट टाइम पेरीमीटर ऑफ सेमी सर्कल इज इक्वल टू पाई इंटू आर. Here we have to remember some conversion unit also. 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square means 100 into 100 means 10,000 centimeter square, or you can say square into centimeter. 1 hectare is also is equal to 10,000 meter square. 1000 centimeter square is equal to 1 lakh millimeter square, and 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. Okay, because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, so 10 into 10, that is 100. Okay, so till here students we learn today's topic. Okay, so have a nice day. Goodbye. From tomorrow we will start the tomorrow onwards we will start the exercise. Okay, thank you.